K'Nex generator revision 3. This is currently my generator. At the moment, it's hooked up to a motor at the moment, but personally when I would spin it myself, the fastest I could get up to was about 12 volts. I'll go ahead and show you that right now. We'll disengage the gear shaft, power up the motor, show you this. Okay, so this is my generator. It's a series of 4 magnetic coils or magnets connected to each other, attached to the K'Nex circle via really low gauge high gauge wire, magnet wire. It's not doing anything except holding it. And then I have K'Nex wheels that I've attached to their white pieces, looped. Each one's looped right around the point where it would start falling off if I went any further. Each side has it. The magnets are alternating, so you got north, south, which produces AC current. So I have a little 4-way bridge rectifier over here that's converting my my AC into DC, so I can power LEDs and motors and stuff like that. That's about it. I tried a couple different K'Nex motors because I was getting tired of spinning it myself. And basically what had happened is I started using the high RPM, low torque motors, and it was spinning the generator, but as soon as I put load on it, obviously the magnetic field built up and it started slowing the actual generator down, which was then causing the gear in the K'Nex motor to jam. So I needed something with a little more torque. This motor has more torque, less RPM, but more torque, so I kind of built a little gearbox here so that I could accomplish the speed of the spin that I wanted, the RPMs, and also the torque. So that's about it there. Looking for opinions on how to make it more efficient, faster, more electricity. I'll go ahead and show you guys the setup here. It takes a little bit to get started because, like I said, it's high torque, low RPMs, but even this is a lot on that little motor. And it's spinning. You get about 5 volts. Once it starts really speeding up, cooking, it then gets closer to 6. Where's my little LED? That's 6 volt AC. I can show you what it is when it's closer to what the actual DC voltage is. I have used little capacitors to kind of smooth out the DC current, because as you know, the AC, I'll grab it in just a second so I can show you, because as you know, the capacitor kind of smooths out the DC. I could show you the sine wave of the AC current. It's nowhere near a household 60 hertz. It's something far different. Oh my gosh, this thing is so crazy. It's about as far out as I can get. I think if I were to remove the LED, you get a better understanding of the sine wave.
I'm here too.
But when I cook it up to handheld 12 volts, the sine wave becomes a little bit more understanding. I'm not sure why it's showing that it's not going. It's not giving me a plus peak. It's only giving me down peak. Wasn't doing that when I was hand cranking it. I'll have to look into that. I might. I don't think I'm hooked up to the DC at the moment. No, I'm definitely hooked up to that. Let's see if maybe the capacitor is causing that.
I love you.
But that's about it. I'm open to suggestions. I make it faster, more voltage. I can show you again
Next time.
the generator one more time. Bunch of strongest circular batteries or circular battery magnets I could find on Amazon. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Wait.